language is very important, language in the world. Pakistan, as the Muslim country, is very keen about learn Arabic language and speak by Arabic language, because it's the Arabic language, just not just the any language. The Arabic language is the Islamic language and the Holy Quran language, and it's very important for the teach the children how to speak the Arabic. And I think Pakistan is a very important country for teach the children how to speak Arabic.
This language is spoken over 400 million people around the world, and it is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Over 1 billion Muslims around the world read daily Arabic language and read Quran daily using Arabic language. This magnificent language is considered one of the richest language in terms of meanings, literary, image, and pottery.
اليوم نحتفل باليوم العالمي للغة العربية، اللغة التي يتحدث بها أكثر من 500 مليون نسمة في العالم، وهي لغة القرآن الكريم، ويعني هي أساس لثقافة أمة.